Hi, this is Ram from Rawlings Build and Interiors India Private Limited. Today I am going to talk about the one of our ongoing projects in Sakleshpur. The structures are something like in snail shell, she shell, mushroom shape. Okay, the construction method we are using there is ferrocement concrete. I will just show you one small model like how we are going to do there, and I will explain about it like whatever we have done there. Yeah, so this is the 3D model like we have got done with the 3D printer machine. So this is we are calling as a seashell. So the concept is something like two shells are joining each other, and we have given one small skylight on top of it. And this side it will be entrance, and back side we have one big window. So here I will just show you. So this is your shell shape, both the side, and this will be the entrance. This part we have given the skylight. This is the glass we are going to fix it, and this back side in this model just we have shown closed surface, but on site we are making a small opening here. Okay, and I will just talk about the soil condition of the site there. Actually, that's a very challenging project. What we are doing there, you believe me or not, we have like for 3 to 4 feet we are getting a water. It's a like natural water we are getting in the ground. So what we have done, we excavated like 2.5 feet, like where up to how much we can go, so much we have taken it, and we can't go more deeper. Like if we do more excavation, the complete it will be covered with the water. So 2.5 feet to 3 feet maximum you have gone, and still we got the water, and we drained out with some other materials, and we put the PCC, and up to the foundation we have done around 2.5 feet. Okay, on top of it like 1 feet by 1.5 feet for plinth beam all around we have taken. So to do this one we have done something like those are called dowels. While doing the plinth beam only, we left the bars, like whatever the required bars are there, we have just left from the ground. And from next video I will show you in the ground conditions also. So those dowels, whomever they will doing these fabrication work, he will come and connect with those dowels and take it. It's like a very old ancient construction method. It's like you have seen in your rural areas, like to just to avoid the rain splash inside the water house. So basically they used to give one mesh wall, and with the plastering, the same construction method we are used here. The overall the wall thickness of this structure, it will be like maximum 3 inches including the plastering. Okay, let me tell about the structure. So after taking the models, we will just use the mesh on top of it. Okay, and we will do the hard plastering. Like it will be very rough plastering. We'll just do it all around. Then we leave it to it has to get dry. Then we will attend the smooth plastering all around. So coming to these grooves, like you call it as grooves or lines, whatever. So we have created their grooves with the help of the thread. So we have taken these measurements and marked at the site, and we tied the rope. So we are creating these ropes on site and making that wet plastering. By that we will get the grooves over there. So this is how we are building these structures, and I hope these kind of ferro cement construction method, seashell and snail shell is not yet done in our India. Please let me know if you know somebody is working these kind of structures in our areas or in our Karnataka. So we will it will help us to create more interesting projects. Okay, so coming to the interiors part of this model, so if you see at side, like we can see, let me just keep it there. Inside this structure, we have the beams, like vertical beams. It will act as a beam also, and it will act as a columns also. So those kind of V-shaped columns beams we have given, so that is based on the structural detail. So if we can't give directly, we can't bend the bars directly, however we want to sustain the load, so we have to create some v-shaped beams and we have to give that. It will be like proper bonding inside. Okay, so that bonding, it will help the structure to keep strengthen, or it will be help to hold the complete structure. So and after that, inside we have, the interesting part is we have created one mezzanine floor that is in the same material, like it's a ferrocement one. I mean the bars we have used, and above that rough plastering, mesh rough plastering, then smooth plastering. So these kind of things we have used there. The site condition as of now, we brought it up to the civil part is done. Now we have to start the flooring, plumbing, electrical. So the electrical and plumbing, those are the very much interesting subject of what we are working it here. So those things also we will explain you, like how we have created, and in these kind of projects how we have to give the details inside the structures. We will just let you know on the next episodes or next videos. So this is the just an introduction video, or introduction theme of this project. So like day by day, like whatever we do the progress in the site, we will just update you. And as of now, we are working on the another projects in the same site itself. We have just started the kitchen and dining of our resort. We will show you like how we are planned for the structure, and please be connected with us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.